Hi guys, it's Satharv and welcome back to our channel Gossipfunda. So in this video, we are going to learn how to fix the Instagram DM glitch. So let's get started. So the first problem might be that the account you are trying to message is deactivated. So how to know if the account is deactivated? I'll show you. If you search the user and it shows something like this, then the user might have deactivated their account and you can't send them message. So try sending it to another person. Also another thing might happen that the user might have blocked you. So then also you can't send anyone messages. After checking if the user has an active account and has not even blocked you and still you are not able to send messages, then try doing this. First of all, go to the app information. Try force stopping Instagram. Go to the storage usage and clear all the cache data. After doing this, relaunch the app and try messaging again. Also check if you are following the person who you are trying to send the message, because sometimes it can happen that you send them a message and it will go to this request section and they won't be able to notice it quickly. So this can also be another reason. If the issue still continues, then try checking your internet connection. You might have a poor connection due to which you are not able to send messages. If the problem still continues, try updating the app, and if it still does not fix, then try to uninstall the app and reinstall it. If the problem still continues, then try updating the app. I'll show you how to do it. Go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and if an update is available, it will show it right here where open is written. So update the app and try sending the message again. The last way to fix this problem is by logging out of your account and re-logging in. And if the problem still continues, then you should uninstall the app. I'll show you how. Select the app, click on uninstall, then uninstall the app and reinstall it from Play Store again. Here you see install it again. I hope this helped you and solved your issue. Don't forget to check out our blog for latest technology update. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video if this was helpful.